This station is London Bridge.
Temperature's okay? Please put it on your double stone, okay?
Also, हामी जाँदैछौँ the shower. Are you ready? How excited are you? Super excited. Here is the table. Hi, chef. Hello. Hi, chef.
Bubbles. I just wanted to wait for those to come out. I brought us a Chardonnay from Casamigos Valley in Chile, 2022. This is Chardonnay Grand Reserve. Okay, so it's kind of a decent bit of acidity to still kind of cut through with a lot of the food, but it's a nice richness, a nice round texture. I really, really like this one. I'm going to get it ready at my station. Keep it on ice for us whenever we're ready. We'll go from there, okay? Thank you.
2 drinks. I have 2 drinks. Amazing. Let me tell you, I would highly recommend people to drink this. Drink Calcilla.
The lady even can't spell the name.
Highly recommended, yeah? It's very nice.
It's hardly recommended, not fully recommended, guys. We have our appetizer here. Tuna tataki.
It looks very small.
This is truffle makibodo.
Beef tartar.
Beef tartar. How is it?
I see you got your appetizers. Let me just get a little spoon. This is to eat together.
Oh yes, thank you.
I just wanted to try the flavor. How is it?
Looks good. Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Shakes her hair in golden waves, walking strong and being brave. Takes a sip of gin, I swear. When I grow up, I'll be like her. Oh. exactly what she wants. Fancy places, restaurants. Moving past, I kiss the air. When I grow up, I'll be like her. Oh, there she goes. Oh, there she goes again. Oh, there she goes. Oh, there she goes again.
Menu is very different than ours, and he said here it's very different because he likes European style.
What style?
European.
European style, because they're giving some braids.
I'll give you some plates. It's gonna be easier to clear. Also, here's your lovely pepper steak.
Oh, wow.
So, I personally debone it for you. It's not ready yet, just give me 1 second.
Kailangan Ora?
This is the Moiset. This is ground pasta with carrots and sun-dried tomatoes. Then we just put it in your double stone, okay?
I want to take a small bite. I don't want to take a big bite. I'm so scared. I cannot eat something.
Yeah, our steak over here. Broccoli.
Birthday on the shot, with the view, with the vibe, concert with the girlfriend.
It's amazing. It is totally different from Raqqa. Even if it's the same company, it's totally different from Raqqa. And I experienced a lot of new things which I didn't experience in Raqqa. It's like, oh.
And the atmosphere were amazing. People were wonderful. Yeah. After all, it's Oblix.